What's up everyone, Digital Image here. In this video I'm going to show you the Benro Ball Head. This is the V1E version and it is rated for 22 pounds. So it can carry the 22 pounds and this is the Arca-type compatible, and it has a bubble head also, and it has friction control, a panning lock, and it can mount on different tripods. So let's open the box and let's see what are the things included in the box. And as I open the box, as you can see, I found this pouch over here, and this is Benro branded pouch in bright blue color, and it contains this instruction manual and also this L key along with this particular screw. This screw will help you to mount the ball head on the tripods which have smaller screw to mount the tripod heads. So let's see what else is in the box, and beside the ball head there is nothing else in the box. And that's how the ball head looks like. And at the bottom you can remove this particular plastic screw in order to get rid of bottom paper. As I have mentioned earlier, the load capacity is around 10 kg or 22 pounds, and it has a bubble head, and also it has the friction control, and it has the panning lock. The height of the ball head is around 3.9 inches or 10 centimeter. The diameter of the ball is around 2 inches, and the weight of this whole ball head is around 0.9 pounds or 0.4 kg. You can use this big knob to loosen up the ball head. Of course, you can use the friction control as well. And you can loosen up the top plate using the top knob. I think it is good if you keep a little bit more friction on the ball, because it will help you to keep the camera steady when you want to loosen up the ball in order to adjust the camera. If you turn the friction control knob towards the right, it will increase the friction, and if you turn it towards the left, it will decrease the friction, and this particular setting will remove any friction, and now the ball head can move freely, as you can see here. If you want to loosen up the top plate, you can use this particular knob, but it will not let you remove that plate. In order to remove that plate, you need to pull the knob little bit towards outside and rotate it little bit more, and now you can freely remove the plate, as you can see here. This particular knob at the bottom is used to lock or unlock the panning movement of the head and the camera. This particular plate comes with the ball head, and this is the Arca-type plate. I'm not going to use that plate that comes with the ball head. Rather, I'm going to use this particular L plate that I have bought for this Sony A7R Mark II, and this particular L plate will help me to mount the camera in horizontal and vertical position very securely, and it will remove the problem that currently I'm facing with my old tripod and the head. And that's how you mount the camera. Slide it in and you can lock it in place. Very convenient. I don't think it will take much more long time as compared to the quick release plate that currently I'm using. And that's how I can mount the camera in the vertical position using this particular L plate and this particular head. I'm going to use this ball head on my current tripod, which is the Manfrotto 190, as you can see over here, and this is the head that I was using with this tripod. The head was pretty good, and it has different adjustments, and it has the different levels as well on all three axes. But the problem is, when I use the Nikon D810 with the heavy lens in vertical position, then the quick release plate actually unscrews itself and camera start moving vertically. Since my tripod is having a 3x8 inch screw, so no issues here. I don't need to use the converter and I can mount the head directly on this particular tripod. So just place the head on top of the tripod and just screw it in and it will fall in place very nicely. Just make sure that you have locked the panning motion of the head before you start this procedure. I have bought this particular head on the recommendation of a friend. He's using the Benro V1E version, which is the baby brother of this particular ball head. Essentially it is same, but the load capacity is little bit less. If you are using a heavy camera with a heavy lens, then I do recommend that you use the L plate and preferably you use the Arca-type quick release. So guys, I hope that you have liked the video, and if you have liked it and you found the video useful, then make sure you press the thumbs up button at the bottom of this video. Take care and I will see you later. Bye.